Experiencing charging issues with your Fitbit Luxe? You're not alone. Released in 2021, many users are now facing charging problems due to battery degradation and wear and tear. This video will guide you through troubleshooting and fixing your Fitbit Luxe, focusing on safe DIY solutions. We'll cover common causes and effective fixes to get your device charging again. Several factors can cause your Fitbit Luxe to stop charging. These include dirty or corroded charging contacts, preventing a good connection, battery degradation after 4 to 5 years of use or 500 to 1,000 charge cycles, a faulty charger or cable, and rarely, software glitches. Understanding the cause is the first step to finding the right solution. Make sure you use the official charger. Before diving into more complex solutions, start with the basics. First, clean the charging pins on both the Luxe and the charging cable with a soft, dry cloth or a cotton swab dipped in isopropyl alcohol. Make sure they are fully dry before attempting to charge. Then try using a different USB port or wall adapter. Finally, perform a hard reset by holding the button on the Luxe for 10 seconds. These simple steps often resolve minor charging issues. Also, make sure to check for any firmware updates using the Fitbit app. When basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve charging issues, the battery is often the culprit. Lithium polymer batteries in the Fitbit Luxe degrade over time, typically losing capacity after 4 to 5 years of use. Since Fitbit has discontinued manufacturing the Luxe, you'll need third-party replacement batteries and chargers. Reliable sources include online marketplaces like iFixit and eBay, where you can find compatible parts. Replacing the battery yourself can be a cost-effective solution compared to buying a new device. A DIY battery replacement typically costs between $15 and $30, while professional repair services charge over $100. However, battery replacement requires some technical skill. You'll need tools like screwdrivers and possibly soldering equipment, so assess your comfort level with electronics repair before proceeding. Finally, always research the battery you're purchasing. Verify compatibility with your specific Luxe model, check seller reviews for quality assurance, and ensure you're buying from reputable sources to avoid counterfeit or substandard parts. If you're comfortable with DIY repairs, you can replace the battery yourself. Here's a detailed step-by-step guide to help you through the process safely. First, gather all the necessary materials. You'll need a replacement battery, which typically costs between $15 and $30. Get a small screwdriver set with magnetic tips to avoid losing screws. A plastic opening tool helps pry open the device without scratching it. Also have isopropyl alcohol and a soft cloth ready for cleaning. Before starting, take safety precautions. Work on a clean surface to prevent static electricity damage. Back up your Fitbit data through the app. If you have an anti-static wrist strap, use it. Most importantly, work slowly and gently to avoid damaging internal components. To open the device, locate the small screws on the back of the Fitbit Luxe. Use your magnetic screwdriver to carefully remove them, placing them in a safe spot. Then, use the plastic opening tool to gently pry around the edges and separate the case. Work slowly to avoid breaking the clips. Once opened, locate the battery inside the device. Carefully disconnect any wires connecting the battery to the circuit board. If there's adhesive holding it in place, gently loosen it. Then, lift out the old battery and set it aside safely. Now install the new battery. Position it in the same location as the old one. Reconnect the wires securely, making sure the polarity is correct. Ensure everything is aligned properly and test the connections by gently pressing them if your tools allow. Finally, close the device by reassembling the case and replacing the screws. Tighten them firmly, but not too much. Connect your Fitbit to the charger and test it. Monitor to ensure it's charging properly and the device powers on. If everything works, you've successfully completed the repair. By following these steps, you've completed a DIY battery replacement that typically costs between $15 and $30, much cheaper than professional service. Many Fitbit Luxe owners have successfully resolved charging issues through simple maintenance and DIY repairs. These real-world examples show that with the right approach, you can extend your device's lifespan and avoid costly replacements. In 2025, a Reddit user with a 3-year-old Fitbit Luxe reported no charging after swimming. By simply cleaning the charging pins with a cotton swab and rubbing alcohol, they restored full functionality. The device continued working for 2 more years, proving that basic cleaning can prevent many issues. In a 2024 Android Central review, testers examined 50 Fitbit Luxe devices and found 8 with charging failures. By replacing the internal battery using iFixit guides and parts costing $20 to $40, they successfully fixed 7 of the units. One device needed a complete motherboard replacement, showing that battery issues are common but often fixable. In 2026, a Fitbit Luxe owner in the US successfully claimed a free repair under Google's extended warranty program. By carefully documenting the charging problem with app logs and usage data, they provided compelling evidence that convinced Google to approve the claim and cover the repair costs. These real-world examples demonstrate that Fitbit Luxe charging issues are often solvable through simple maintenance and DIY repairs. Whether it's cleaning pins, replacing batteries, or leveraging warranty support with good documentation, users can successfully extend their device's lifespan and avoid unnecessary costs. Preventative maintenance is essential for avoiding Fitbit Luxe charging problems. Regular care can significantly extend your device's lifespan. First, regularly clean the charging contacts. The pogo pins can accumulate dust or residue. Use a soft cloth dampened with isopropyl alcohol to gently wipe them clean. Second, always use official Fitbit chargers. Cheap knockoff chargers can cause inconsistent power delivery and damage the charging circuit. Third, avoid exposing your Fitbit Luxe to extreme temperatures. Heat or cold can accelerate battery degradation and reduce charging efficiency. According to iFixit experts, 80% of Fitbit Luxe charging issues stem from user-neglectable problems like these. By following these preventative steps, you can keep your device working reliably for years. With Fitbit no longer producing the Luxe, support will eventually phase out. While these fixes can extend its life, consider migrating to newer models like the Pixel Watch series for better longevity and features. The trend is moving towards wireless charging and modular designs, which will eliminate pin-based charging issues in future wearables. By 2028, it is possible many devices will start utilizing the Qi charging standard.